Samruddhi? Samruddhi? Hi, Samruddhi.
Hi, Rekha. You're looking
Hi.
very great.
Yeah, you're looking
Matching
so
today.
beautiful.
Thank you.
So, Samruddhi, thanks a lot for the joining for the World Wellness Weekend celebration
Yeah,
and
thank you.
Indian Wellness Tourism Week. So these are the both initiatives are like World Wellness Weekend is started by the Zengi and it is celebrated in the 150 countries today.
But
Along, yeah, and thanks a lot for joining us. This is the World Wellness Weekend sign. World Wellness Weekend.
it's the W. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Will you please do this so I can take the
Yeah, I
selfie?
should
Yes,
start it.
thanks a
Okay.
lot.
Now it will.
Thanks a lot. Thank
Yeah.
you, Zengi, for starting this initiative. This is a beautiful initiative, and 150 countries are celebrating this. Apart from that, Indian wellness tourism, which is creating the awareness about the wellness tourism. So, Subhuti, today I have invited you. Must be surprised to know what you are doing in the wellness industry. I can
Exactly.
understand,
Exactly. I'm an
some,
advocate. So,
but
and even filmmaker.
yeah, being as a filmmaker, and I know that is your special topic about the surrogacy.
Yeah.
Uh, for that only, I wanted you to come on this board and talk about that because I have been talking a lot about the woman health and woman mental status about the going for this kind of uh, you know activities. So Samruddhi, just can you just give little bit about the information about the surrogacy? Surrogacy, what exactly is that, and how you enter in that? What brought thoughts brought you for the talking about this topic, which is actually, and I know that is you have been talking long time. It is not just recent movie has come and you started talking about that, but you
Exactly.
have been talking almost, I think so, 10 years back.
More than that, because
Oh
after
wow!
10 years, the Mimi film, which is mine, that it's the based on surrogacy. It just
Right.
recently came, so people are started talking on this topic. But I was working on this topic so long, nearly more than 12 years actually, because I made my first movie Mala Aivaise, which is in Marathi,
Yeah.
and that subject was surrogation, how
Okay.
the surrogation is happening in India, mostly in Gujarat. Uh, and the film is based on my own case matter. I
Wow.
was working on
Yeah,
that
you are
matter.
you are a lawyer also, right?
Yeah, of course.
Forgot to mention about that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice journey from an advocate to filmmaker.
Yeah.
But this film made me a mother of, you can say that's Mala Aivaise means I want to be a mother. So I just became a filmmaker because of this movie. And I want to
Wow.
talk so much about the surrogate mother because the surrogation is include two women mostly, that's surrogate and biological, and the surrogate mother. The
Right.
biological mother is just donate the womb or the embryo or her child, but in short you can say a womb on rent.
Oh. Oh
That's
my God.
yeah, that's a science technology, but behind this tag there were so many things was happening in India. So I just been through while just going this subject.
Right.
And so unethical you can say is the conceptions that India surrogacy, that the clinics unethical method wise they are doing so much things. The government should try to regulate these things. But what happened, the surrogate mother went through, used to emotional and mentally so much things you can, as
Right,
a mother
right.
you can
That's what
understand.
I want to actually talk about that. How she is able to control or take care of her mental health,
Yeah,
because this
that time.
surrogacy is like you're saying as a two mothers. So one is like who is actually renting her home, and I'm surprised that terms what you guys are talking in the medical industry is talking rent a home on the rent. this this is
Exactly.
not actually
That's
home. Her
uh,
body completely, her mind physically she's completely involved in that. So
Yeah,
yeah,
exactly.
please carry
Uh,
on that. Of what exactly is the mental status of her mind when she's carrying that baby and she has to give it to the some other person after 9 months. So how
Actually,
is
it's
her
an experience how she must have gone through.
right?
But I just understood in 2002 when I was, introduced this topic. That time there is a just little work in in a what we can say that's in a regulate that surrogacy. It's
Right.
not illegal in India in 2002, but the protective regulations or any laws was not there. So we
Right.
just worked and in amendments also, and slowly in 2016 there were one bill passed in Lok Sabha for the protection of laws for this surrogate mother. It's not illegal
Okay.
in India, but there are two types of surrogation. That's the altruistic and the commercial. So in commercial, everything was happening, lots of American or the foreigner couple or some models, they don't want to conceive their own child. They wanted to, ready-made mother is taking in a very small amount because poor country, and the poor people are just make a bazaar like all the time. There are lots of one by one in every year there is a conceive one child. It's that the girl bahu, that the you can say the daughter-in-law become a machine for surrogation in
Oh
most
my
of the
God.
houses. So that's why
Okay.
we need to do the
So you mean to say they were they were making that mother to conceive the baby or rent
sometimes
her. Yeah. Okay.
forcibly also, because every year one delivery is not possible for one lady, but it's in India that time 10 lakh rupees for one surrogacy was the rate. And one sometimes in between the poor lady and even American models or the foreigner, they didn't communicate with them with in English, so that's why there was lots of agents. Though they are supposed to 9 lakh rupees and only 1 lakh rupees they are supposed to give that the surrogate
Surrogacy mother.
mother.
Yeah. Right.
So we just
Surrogacy.
and surrogate mother. So we just understood that's a commercial surrogacy become a business in India, a very large
Oh.
business. So now in 2016, a very nice bill we just amended. There are some things. That's to allow ethical, altruistic, and surrogacy. That means, one when close relative can conceive, can bear read out some key points in that. So allow ethical, altruistic surrogacy to the intending infertile in married couple, Indian married couple. The age limit is the female is
Okay.
nearly from 23 to 35, and men should be from 30 to 55, not more than that. That the one point is
Okay.
there. Then the other is the intending couple, whoever wants that surrogacy. And the one point I just wanted to clear out, that the foreigner, that is the commercial surrogacy, is totally banned in our country now, because no,
Oh.
yeah, it's become a commercial. The forcibly
You mean to
also
say
the
because
women
of the commercial? Okay.
now
Due
the
to the
ultras.
commercial angle, it's a ban now.
Yeah, even foreigners didn't could not come to India and have just because now we just made some points that they has to be married, and uh, most of the gay couple supposed to come, and even the models, they don't want to bear a child. There are lots of unethical things about going on in surrogate field. So just we made some amendments. The surrogate mother should be a close relative to the intending couple and the married woman having their own child first. That's the
Oh.
necessity.
Okay.
And she should
Okay.
be in between 25 to 35, not more than that, because the conceiveness is not safe for after 35. That's why. The surrogate mother shall be allowed to act as a surrogate mother only once. That's one important thing.
That's a good
And
important point. Yeah, right.
yeah, exactly. And actually, the main thing is they should the infertility should be proved. The married couple should try for 5 years, and they should prove that's a infertility for them, because it's not possible
Right.
their own natural baby. That only that case they can go for a surrogation. Not only because my wife should be a very nice, it should be in figure, or she don't want to. You have to
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
prove it
Mostly this
allegedly.
model they want to maintain their
Yeah, push.
figures, but because of that they
Yeah,
are, yeah,
and
yeah, yeah. That's right.
yeah. The constituent the surrogacy board at the national and the state level to perform functions conferred into under the act. This act we just made for couples, you know. Even most of the time it's happening because the gay marriages is not allowed in India. But most of the
Right.
time, the American gay couples used to come and have used to take that woman embryo. So many times I just found the embryo they even exports.
Oh
They
my God.
made pregnancy in petri dish, you can say, in IVF, in vitro fertilization, and that fertilized embryo they used to export, import, you know, from India to. So everything is banned now. Altruistic surrogacy is allowed, and it's passed already in Lok Sabha. And now we are just waiting for Rajya Sabha. And in 2020, in pandemic, also work is going on. Some videos they need some commercial thing. So now slowly some things are added in that, because it's a very large topic to talk, to do the work on this,
Right.
the
Right.
surrogation,
Right.
because
Right.
it's not a business of any materialistic, what you can say, that it's a human related emotions. So there are counseling also to the women pre surrogation, after surrogation. Even we just made amendment for insurances for 35 months, not only
Wow.
for 9 months, because you know, yeah. So lots of protection.
That's a good achievement. Yeah, right. It's a good achievement in fact.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's already passed in Lok Sabha actually. So it's a
Wow.
very nice and
So,
vast subject.
yeah. No, but it's, yeah, something is different, and again the very close to the everyone heart whomever wants to become the mother. Yeah. So I want to know, Samruddhi. I understand that is, this Mimi movie which is recently published, and it has really got a good rank also. And before that, Mala Ai Bhaiche, that is your own script, right? So Mimi is also is your own script. What
It's my baby
I
only,
understand.
because you know, in you can say that I just gave birth to one baby, and now he
Yeah.
is university is achieving other degrees. So this is Hindi degree. Now I'm just doing my same movie in Telugu, Tamil, and Kannada. So it's grabbing the
Wow.
other
Wow.
degrees in other universities. You can say.
Right, right. So that was what I recollect. Trying to recollect that this was the case which you first time you handled in the court, and because of that you started. Means you made this movie. That was your entry point for the movie film industry, right? Please correct me
Yeah.
if I'm wrong.
Yeah, that
So
actually that was the step to come in, but I was trying because you know, first of all, my first step, I was so many films attended that you can say uh, there are you need lawyers in film also. So I was
right, right.
working for the films as a lawyer, and when attending that meetings and all that, I understood what I was writing in my diaries, there is something, you know. So as a writer, I was there, but this case
Right.
made me a filmmaker, you can say.
The Mimi movie, which is like that story is a real story, right?
Real story, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So, so I'm just coming back to the point where the surrogacy mother who surrogate the baby, and then when she has to give that back that baby, so what exactly have you noticed any case or any incident where that mother feel that is she should not give back to the baby to the original mother? So do you think that is that
Yeah,
happens, and if it happens, so why it happens?
yeah, it's a
Because
very
she
good
she
question,
has
and
rented her yeah.
yeah, actually, you can understand because as a woman and as a mother, we can understand her feelings, because the everything like a natural mother, she bear a child 9 months, even she feeds some days, everything she did like her own child, and after 9 months is just room for rent. Your home is just a rent, and you have to give that baby. So it's very difficult time. So that's why the counseling we just included in the law, that you have to counsel the girl. But after counseling also, because my film line is the child gives birth to a mother. Always you can say the
Correct.
mother gives birth to a child, but I always say keep child gives birth to a mother, because she
Wow.
also didn't
Wow,
know
that's a really
how she
actually
will behave. Yeah, how
yeah.
she will behave after motherhood, because she changed drastically, you can understand, as a woman. So
Yes.
there are lots of, yeah, there are lots of cases, the out of miserable things, or she required money, that's why she come to this business. But after that, after giving a birth to the child, so many times she just ran away with the baby. I don't want that money, just forget that, all papers and all my sign, everything, I don't know anything. This is my baby, and
Yeah,
now
that
I don't know
that
anything. It's
yeah.
happened so many times, I just been through. So that's the topic of my film. So emotional angle between the both the mothers, even
Right.
desperate, because you can say Vardhan also, scientifically, these things came because just like looking like you, every woman and parents want their own child. Adoption is one remedy, but sometimes they want their own kid, uh, and this for them, in an ethical way, it's a bliss. But if in ethical way, then it's a, you can't say, it's not a blessings, it's just a business.
Wow. So, sometimes because the other part of this surrogacy, many of them they don't know. Is it running as a business? It's like a complete one separate industry. It's
Yeah,
like where agents are there, then they are just searching the mothers who's actually needed some other way. She needs money, and they are just encouraging her to get really
exactly.
uh, unbelievable actually, because the other side, someone wants a baby, so I don't
Yeah,
know, it is a right feeling for them also having their own baby, but some there are the lot many things where they can adopt also, they can adopt the baby, but that
yeah, that's
adoption.
why we just made it altruistic surrogacy, and it's compulsory in India, because whoever wants to become a surrogate, she should be a close relative to the person. There is no transaction, money transaction in between there. It's a totally ban in India now. So that's why it's
So
happening. Because
banning
if,
in, but it banned because of the commercial angle. But do you think that is really needed? This kind of activities should be encouraged, and it should be like, because I will not support this kind of things. Instead of that, I will say, okay, why can't you take baby from wherever is adoptions is available,
so
in
you are
and
you are supporting adoption, not a surrogation.
yeah,
That's
not
that's the
not
thing.
surrogacy. I don't
No,
encourage
I
this,
don't
but
think so. I just wanted, no. Sometimes,
yeah.
I don't want to say that I'm just not supporting to surrogacy. I just wanted to say, I If it in an ethical way, suppose sometimes,
Right.
sometimes everything is proper and you want your own child, your genetic, this you're right,
Right.
but you can't in a natural way. Then if your sister is ready to bear your child, so it's not, it's a science blessings. I think I'm supporting it, not totally, but I'm not supporting unethical. It should not be
Right.
just only for money. Somebody should do, but now so many things came in the law, regulation. So it's a protection to the mother. Only one she can do. She will get, and now in 2000, let me clear that in October 2020 there is little amendment. It's not totally altruistic, means not totally non-commercial. There is commercial also, and even the widows are also involved in that. If you have your own child, one child,
Okay.
so she also can
Okay.
do, because sometimes for money they can do, but in an ethical way. So
Right.
that's the,
Right.
yeah.
Because when we are creating awareness, means especially I'm creating awareness for the woman health and woman well-being mindset. So where of course this surrogacy is one of the very delicate topic
Yeah, maybe it's
set of woman who is carrying the baby. So when she has to, and you correctly said that is, one, she just forget about the documents, forget about the money, everything. I just want my baby. Why it happens?
yeah,
Because 9 months
yeah,
she's
this is
going
my
through that
baby.
pain.
I delivered
Yeah,
it,
it's
and
my
this is my,
so
yeah.
it natural. This is natural actually. Her mental status, what she is going through, this is natural for her, and that's the reason. Today this topic I wanted to bring it, and thanks a lot for joining for this subject. I know that it was out of the wellness topic, but I was looking after this topic as a the mental health of the woman who is carrying the surrogacy baby. So that's the reason I wanted you to join this session, and congratulations for you for the writing this kind of beautiful script, which is actually no one has thought about that those days. I 10 to more than 10 years what you are writing, what you are creating the awareness. So those days no one has thought about this topic, and I'm surprised that time also uh, the commercial angle was so much uh, uh, into the industry or so much into India. I really did not understand this. But then thanks Samruddhi, and I can see Samruddhi has disconnected because of the network problem. But then she has really they explained her own this thought process about the movie what she made. मला आई व्हायचं आहे आणि apart from that this Mimi movie which is recently come, and this both movie actually script belongs to her, and she has really done the beautiful job for this both movies. Congratulations for her achievements, and woman who wants to definitely go for the surrogacy, she should be thinking twice, I feel, because when she has to carry someone baby, so definitely pro- problem for her is the internally what is going through the 9 months period. Apart from that, mentally, means physically she is completely engaged, but mentally also she is engaged. And when time comes to give away this baby to the original mother, so I can understand the situation what she must be going through that. In India, we are emotional people and we take everything from heart more than mind. And surrogacy, I don't think so. It is a successful area, activities in India. So I myself, I don't encourage this. But then anyone wants to go, all the best for them. Thanks a lot, Samruddhi, coming and talking on this topic. And I'm so glad on the World Wellness Weekend. Samruddhi has again requested, so I'm taking her again back. So on the World Wellness Weekend, and the yes, Samruddhi, sorry you disconnected, but I was just talking,
It's
and thanks a lot for joining this session on the World Wellness Weekend
Thank you very much,
celebration. And
Rekha, inviting me.
yeah,
And congratulations to you. You are just, running so nice things, and we are very enthusiastic to see your new things, products also.
thank you, thank you. So this World Indian Wellness Tourism, week which we are celebrating along with the World Wellness Weekend. So this is also again we are creating awareness about the wellness tourism industry, and you can see this what you are talking about. The people are coming from abroad. Those days, I'm so surprised when you disconnected. I was talking about that. 10 years back, your your movie story is long back, right? So this those days
Yeah,
also people internationally people were coming in India and doing this kind of activities. So India has so many things to offer, but this one part what I was not unaware, that part is also, oh, I got to know. So I don't have words about this, but then thanks a lot for joining the World Wellness Weekend and then the Indian Wellness Tourism Week celebration. Thank you, everybody. I'm coming back again 7 o'clock with Archana Narvekar, and we are going to talk again from the film industry about the woman health status, and that is going to be in Marathi. And I would like to request everybody, please join us and support our activities. Samruddhi, do you want to say bye to all the viewers? And Samruddhi, you are again connected and disconnecting again. So I think so there is a problem for the joining you because of the network. I think so you are under the in a poor network, but then not a problem. Thanks a lot joining us for the celebration of the World Wellness Weekend and Indian Wellness Tourism. And India has lot to offer. What I saw just now for the surrogacy also. Those days they were offering, and people were coming from international tourists were coming to India and taking this kind of advantage also, or they keep taking this kind of facilities which was available those days, and they were, getting the benefited out of this all these activities. But apart from this, India has lot to offer to the world. We have spiritual wellness, we have mental health activities centers many places, we have the beautiful food which is a healthy food again, and we do have the lot of hospitality activities in each and every area wherever people want to travel. So everywhere they will get a huge welcome, you know warm welcome from everybody. And that's what is our own original, what we call the Sanskriti, which is Atiti Devo Bhava. And we should actually welcome all these national and international tourists wherever they are traveling. India has potential to increase this world Indian wellness tourism, where we will definitely get the huge opportunity for the employment as well as for the industry growth. So thank you all of you for joining this session. 7 o'clock, I'm coming back again with the Archana Narvekar Marathi session about the again film industry, women health. Thank you.